with a heavier mass, it'll travel farther. The scientific principle that we're testing is momentum.
Momentum is the tendency of that object to continue to move in its direction of travel.
A hypothesis is if you use a ball with a greater mass, it will go farther.
We performed this experiment by going up to the Collinsville baseball field. There, Carmen hit each ball 10 times. After she would hit the ball, we would take the measuring wheel and measure how far it traveled. Then we would record the data.
Hit 1 for the baseball. Hit 2 for the baseball. Hit 1 for the tennis ball. Hit 2 for the tennis ball. Hit 1 for the practice ball. Hit 2 for the practice ball. Hit 1 for the wiffle ball. Hit 2 for the wiffle ball.
This graph shows the confidence intervals. Each bar represents the different balls, and it shows how their confidence intervals overlap. This is a chart that shows the standard deviation, the average, the range, and the confidence intervals for each ball. This is the graph of our data. On the x-axis, we have the masses of the different baseballs. On the y-axis, we have the distances that they traveled. Looking at the graph, you can see how as the mass increases, the distance slightly increases as well.
After analyzing our charts and graphs, looking at the line graph, we've come to the conclusion that our hypothesis is likely to be correct because you can see that it does increase as the mass increases. However, when you look at the graph of the confidence intervals, they all overlap. This tells us that without further experimentation, we cannot come to a positive conclusion. So we've decided that we would need to do further experimentation and possibly do it better by having an actual baseball player hit the ball so it could be more of a steady hit.
I need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone help. When I was young, was so much younger than today. I never needed anybody's help in any way.